Rulefinder Marketing Restrictions is an online service provided by aosphere. Rulefinder MR is maintained by a large, dedicated team of senior lawyers and helps institutions understand and comply with the key restrictions when offering a wide range of financial products and services to institutional and retail clients around the world. It covers the marketing of equity and debt securities, loans, securities financing transactions, and derivatives, plus the marketing of a host of related financial services, such as the provision of advice, research, custody, deposit taking, arranging, and brokerage activities. For those in the asset management sector, our separate asset management module may be of interest to you. From within each jurisdiction view, if you are looking for a super quick introduction to the rules, then our overview document is for you. Our activity matrix breaks the rules down for each product and service by activity type. We'll show more of this later. And we provide links to key definitions and legends and disclaimers here. All of our data is sourced from leading local counsel, and you have unlimited access to their searchable detailed memoranda and relevant source legislation here. The memoranda contains local council contact information. Each memorandum is updated on at least an annual basis, and in the interim, we operate a daily monitoring and alert service, which we'll touch more on later. Not everyone wants to read a detailed memoranda of law, so we provide two options for reviewing answers to specific questions: our on-screen traffic light report and our activity matrix. Let's start with the on-screen report. The position that applies to marketing each product and service is set out in separate tabs on screen. We also set out the rules for general marketing, such as brand awareness activities and handing out business cards. The position for retail clients is set out in its own tab. Where a license is required, we clearly set out the process, including time and cost. Each section is broken down to include further detail. For example, for each product and service, there are separate sections considering the position whether the marketing is passive or active. But what if you want more detail on licensing regimes and exemptions that apply to, say, loans in a specific country? We've developed a proprietary activity matrix for each key activity, which can be accessed from either the top of the report or inside the relevant tab. This activity matrix is structured consistently across all jurisdictions. So, for example, if you want to just focus on marketing loans, you will go to the relevant section where you will then see how the relevant restrictions and exemptions of the jurisdiction apply, depending on the particular activity to be undertaken. The matrix considers activities such as fly-in and remote marketing, web marketing, and distributing marketing information. We explain if there are any differences in marketing the service versus actually providing the service, and the notes provide an explanation for the color coding. Together, the overview, traffic lights, activity matrix, memoranda, and additional sources allow answers to routine questions to be found quickly without losing the detail required to answer more complex questions. Our daily monitoring and email alert service keeps you up to date with changes to the data contained within Rulefinder, and alerts are impact flagged. You can configure which jurisdictions you want to receive alerts for by using the My Alerts feature. A comparison function allows subscribers to compare the regimes across different jurisdictions and spot key differences at a glance. Data can also be exported to Excel. Version control also allows you to review earlier versions of data, which could be helpful when showing which data you were relying on at a specific point in time. Specific page links can be shared using this feature, so you can embed the data in internal systems and processes. Content and technical support, such as content queries and requesting new accounts, can be accessed by clicking the link here. For further information on how aosphere can help your business, a fuller demonstration from one of our dedicated senior legal team, or a free trial, please visit our website at aosphere.com. Many thanks.